How to fix Instagram repost option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the Instagram app is updated to its latest version in order to be able to use all the latest features that Instagram has to offer. And if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. Once deleted, go ahead and open App Store again and reinstall the app and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, tap on the Instagram option you see there and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if none of these fixes your issue, then it might be because this particular feature is not yet available in your region. So the best option would be to wait for the feature to be available in your region. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram repost option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.